If you blinked, you might have missed it, but Google just updated its logo, and it's more than just a visual refresh. It's a signal, a whisper about the future of design. Google quietly updated its iconic G, for the first time in almost 10 years. At first glance, it looks nearly the same, but look closer, no more flat. Gradients are back. This isn't a rebrand, it's a refinement. Gentle curves replace sharp angles, colors melt into each other with gradients, and the result? A logo that feels more alive, more human. We're in the middle of a design pendulum swing. Flats out, gradients are creeping back in. Why the shift? Here's a hypothesis. 1. Screens got good. Old displays couldn't handle subtle gradients, they looked like bad JPEGs. Now, OLED, high-DPI, HDR, gradients shine, smooth, vibrant, effortless, 2 AI vibes obviously. We're in the AI era, and sharp flat logos feel robotic. Gradients, they're soft, open-ended, organic, less UI, more vibe, and weirdly, more human. 3 still clean but with feeling. Flat design got sterile. It worked, for a while, but minimalism started to feel cold. Clients wanted more character. Gradients bring emotion without chaos. In a world of motion, voice, and adaptive AI interfaces, visuals need to move with us. Google's new logo reflects that shift, from static to sensory. And this isn't just Google. Apple's leaning into 3D with the Vision Pro UI. Microsoft's fluent design is all about layers and light. Instagram is bringing back gradients, with intent. The big question? It's still unclear if, or when, other parts of the Google universe will get the same treatment. Some are pointing to the new Gemini logo as a possible direction of things to come. For now, this refreshed G feels like the first breadcrumb. Expect a smarter, more expressive Google in the months ahead. Design isn't just about pixels anymore, it's about emotion, motion, and connection. And Google's new G says it clearly. Design is alive again. Like this breakdown? Tap like, subscribe, and follow for more design insights and tech storytelling.